kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Anu Auntie. And today's drawing is a special drawing and a special request, which is a viral video drawing. Children, you all will soon understand what am I doing. We are making a cartoon image, of course, but it's a viral video which is going on in the air, and we are making a drawing of it. Okay, it's a song. So this is a face, children. This is a face which goes a bit like that. You have the samadha here. You understand the meaning of samadha, correct? Samadha is the parting of the hair. These are the ears. Okay. Then we have the lip part, the nose part, and the eye part here. We are doing a cartoon image, so we will not stress much. So what we will do is make the lips first. Because she is talking to the camera, her lips are to be jadiya like that. Okay, so her lips are like that. Soon you all will tell me. I'm not going to tell you what is the drawing, but the background music which is going right now, you all will understand the drawing. The nose, which is a little more fatter. Okay, and then we have the cute little eyes which are not very big. Just making a cartoon image. Okay, so cartoon images are usually a little different than the real ones. You all will soon understand what we are making. We are making a caricature, children. So, okay. Now, this is her गर्दन. और गर्दन में उसने ऐसे टी-शर्ट पहनी हुई है जो it is okay, her hair will go like that. Her hair goes like that. Her hair goes like that. Then there is a big rubber band here and a big rubber band here with a pongat ear and a pongat ear. Okay, after this what we have is, yes, I know the music is loud, children, and it's very difficult for you all to hear me, but understand the steps if you want to make it. It's a fun drawing, children. It is a girl with a bottle, if you can say, but this is very trending because her bottle was thrown in the swimming pool and there is some joke on it. So I'm just making the bottle. It's like that with a zipper. Okay, and yes, we have to make her hand. So her hand will come from here, but here the fingers are 1, then her little finger 2, then it goes folded 3 and 4 here like that. So this line will get rubbed off. It's a viral video. I'm just making a drawing for fun's sake, children. I enjoy fun. When I see a viral video, I feel that we can do a drawing on it. Even before, when the Rasoda got a little famous, I wanted to do a drawing, but then I was a little scared कि करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. But this time, and then I made the Tommy video. Again, it was a viral video, so I made that. Now this is her dress, children. And this is her stomach. And okay, I'll have to take it a bit this side. And this is the hand which is going down. And she's talking to the camera with it. And this is the mic which they usually wear in the show. So this is the mic. Okay, nothing is written on the mic. Yes, nothing is written on the mic. So this is our dear little friend who's done wonders in the show by making people laugh. Oh, my sketch pen isn't writing. I did not know that. Is this writing? Yes, this is writing. So we'll quickly sketch it off and we'll play the background music so that you'll enjoy the drawing with it. So this is the ear. If you don't want to listen to the background sound, you can just make it like it's a girl with a bottle, nothing else. And वो गाने में वो क्या बोलते क्या ये डैशने की, I don't understand what does this mean, but then it's just fun. Take it as a fun. I don't understand what they say. And then nahi, that is what I understand in the entire video. But fun video. Okay. Her lips. This is her gala, and she's wearing a top which has a cap behind, so it is like that. Now this is the mic which they wear in the show. Okay, it's a caricature, children, so you all can make it anyhow, but insist on the bottle and the figure. It is a girl with a bottle, so the finger goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here it goes inside. And when we do the costume, her costume was around fluorescent orange or fluorescent pink, it is not understood. So what am I going to do is, I'll show you what am I going to do. So we are done with it. Not a very difficult drawing. I know these days मेरी drawings थोड़ी कम आ रही है children, but it is due to not COVID. I'm a little busy. That is why. Okay, this is also black, so let's make it black instead with this sketch pen itself. And we keep a little shine here and a little shine this side. Okay, so this is the bottle which was thrown in the swimming pool, and so the Ghana. Okay, so let's start with the skin first. Should we do the skin? Yes, let us do the skin first. Now she is wearing good amount of makeup, so it's pinky here. If someone of y'all must be watching it, y'all must be knowing it. If somebody is not watching it, they will not know what am I making. But make it as a girl with a bottle, and there is some background music. Can you hear that? Yes, that is the background music of the entire video. So I'm making this part dark, and then we are taking the normal skin color and fudging it off, smoothing it with this. It's a simple small little video. I'm doing it small because I have ample amount of work to be done and nature results are to be out. They are already out and I need to type them off, so you can understand मेरे को कितना कम है भाई, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा कम. Now you have to smudge this off. Okay, so this is the makeup which she has done, and she has done a little makeup on the eye as well. So, and her lipstick also, all matches. Now her rubber band, see. Okay, the clothes, let me complete the hand first. The hand is this. Oh, मैंने डार्क कलर कर दिया. ओहो, मैं सोचूं ये इतना डार्क काहे दिखता थी. Never mind, we'll just remove a little bit of color. That is okay. The bottle is white, so I'm letting it like that. Oh, I was not in the frame. I did not realize. Okay, now when we make the costume, what we are supposed to do is first color the entire costume orange, because her costume which is actually visible is a little different color. So first we'll do it orange, but orange हम लोग दबा दबा के घसीट के नहीं करना है. हमको ये को बहुत लाइटली करना है ऑरेंज, बिकॉज इसके ऊपर जो हम कलर करेंगे उसको दबा दबा के घसीट के करना है. So this is done, this is done, this is done. Dun 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 dun. So the costume is done. The costume and the skin looks a little matching, but now you all will understand. Now you have to take your fluorescent pink color and just do this pink color, दबा दबा के घसीट के on it. Then it will give you a fluorescent look. Because her costume is not तुटलं, हे पण तुटलं. इतकं जराचं कलर होतं ते पण तुटलं. But it's okay. Now when you're doing this, दबा दबा के घसीट के दबा दबा के घसीट के, so you will get an orangish pinkish color which she is wearing. It's very difficult because it's a fluorescent. If you're having a fluorescent orange color with you right in your box, please use that. I did not color the skin here, I forgot. So this is skin here. So this is the skin, and she has some tattoo also. Tattoo. So we are making it quickly. and we'll do the background too. So din chicka dum. Now this side. Din chicka din chicka din chicka dum. Din chicka din chicka dum. So my music is different. और उसमें कहते हैं नहीं क्या ये टाना की, नहीं क्या ये साना की, नहीं, ऐसे ऐसे म्यूजिक जाती है उसकी, मेरी नहीं. सो वी हैव मेड द गर्ल हियर. नाउ वी विल डू द हेयर ब्लैक एंड दिस बेल्ट ब्लैक. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट doing the belt first and then we'll color the outside. And this time we are not going to color the outside with watercolors because मैंने लिया नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है, तुम लोग को करने का तुम लोग कर सकते हो. मेरे पास अभी हैंडी नहीं है मेरे हाथ में. मैं बैठ गई और फिर मैं भूल गई, तो मैं भूल गई तो आई डोंट बॉदर मच. आई विल मेक सम वेब टाइप विद द so the hair. Now this is the mic which has a little sort of a thing here. Now we make the hair. Her hair are black here and a little buff or brown the other side, so I'll do that the way it is. My music has gone a little different, like what it is, I don't know. But it's a viral video, it's going famous all around. So I said let us make. First I wanted to make that rasode wali auntie with the big tikka, but I did not do it. But then this time I said let me do it. Now her hair are brown from here. I don't know why they are brown from here, but they are brown. नीचे नीचे के बाल शायद ब्राउन होंगे और ऊपर ऊपर के काले. नहीं, नीचे नीचे के काले, ऊपर ऊपर के ब्राउन. सब मैंने उल्टा उल्टा बोल दिया. So please make it when you all can copy the songs and you all can copy the actions, you all can copy the drawing too. So let's do it. अब मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्राउन इधर भी डाल देती हूँ, ऐसे ऐसे. If it is visible, it will be visible sometimes, it will not be visible sometimes, but it's okay. But tight hair, okay, and we can take this part like that down, not do much of the shading and all. And now we can make the, oh my, I'm not in the frame today, but the entire background we can make colorful. Oi, so let me take my few colors. Let us color. No, blue color is a very cutesy color. What should I do? I'll take grey, I'll take blue, of course I'll take blue. So this is a bee. Okay, now the spider's web goes like that. ओय तुटलं, हे पण तुटलं. माझं सगळं कलर तुटून जाते, तुटून तुटून तुटून. So I'm just making it a little thick here, a little thick here, because this is the way it is. So it comes out like that. So this is some house ka structure which even I am not understanding much, but this is the way the house is, like a spider's web. Nicely designed house. And then this parts are little brownish color. These are the dark parts which we are going to fudge it with our fingers. Okay, I'll show you how. So this needs to be done like that. So we are making, she was standing here. If you see the video, you will be able to see this side of this sort of a design just behind her. So इधर जो मेरा कलर बाहर आ गया था उसको भी मैं कर देती हूँ अच्छे से. Slowly I'll show you. See, I'm not doing it दबा दबा के, घसीट घसीट के, because I want to color it very. Now see the way I color it. Your hands need to be clean. You should be holding it right, and then you just have to smudge it off. Take care of your grays. अगर वो थोड़ा ऐसा ऐसा हो गया तो उसको तो हम लोग वांगड़ू वांगड़ू करके कर ही देंगे. ओके इसको पूरा तरीके से करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज देर इज़ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड. दिस इज़ द हाउस एंड दीज आर द ग्लास and the gray is the frame. So I will just do it and I'll show it to you again. The gray needs a good bordering with black so that it is a bit visible. अभी वो brown किथे गया? इथे हैगा. When the colors keep on running towards me, they love me so much. So I'm just doing it. Now this is the way you make it. Okay. Oh, I forgot this. Now you'll take your gray again. Not this one, the other tutela part. You will brush over it again. No, before doing that, please take your black color and give your black paths wherever required. Yes, I did not do brown here, so I do a little bit of brown here. I take my gray black. क्या हो रहा है मुंह से? ये गाने के साथ साथ मेरा भी सब डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. Okay. Now I'll show you how you do your grays. Okay, here also there will be a little bit of browns. No, this is completely grey. I'll do it and I'll show it to you. Now you take your grey and now on top of your blacks also you're supposed to do your greys. So it will give a little bit of volume. इफ़ यू फील किधर और ब्लैक डालना है तो प्लीज़ डाल देना, हिचकिचाना मत, कर देना बस. सो दिस इज़ द वे द ग्लास इज. जस्ट कीप ऑन smudging, smudging, smudging. And then this part is completely grey. वो और भी टूट रहा है. देखा, मैंने बोला ना वो और टूट रहा है. मेरे को अंदर से एहसास होने लग जाता है मेरा कलर टूटने वाला है. सबको होता है वैसे, मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. और जब टूटने वाला होता है सबको पता चल जाता है. So a web sort of a design here. And this side, yes, and this side needs to be completely polished well so that it is behind this side. It is behind. Now half we will do green because let's take a bright green. So should we take leaf green or should we take our, because there is grass ऐसा करके इस तरफ. So this side will be the grass side. So we are taking the bright green. There is grass on the wall. Oh, I am not in frame. You should have told me before. So this side will be green. ये गाने के साथ साथ मेरा फ्रेम भी इधर इधर हो रहा है ना. ये गाना भी ऐसे मस्त है. I enjoy. And whenever such viral videos are out, I feel can I draw the video? It comes inside my mind. Does things come inside? Such things come to you? If it comes to you, that means you are a great artist. I am not a great artist. मैं अपनी मुँह मिट्ठू नहीं करी. देखो ये वापस से ग्रेट उठ लो. ऐसा ही होता है मेरे साथ. अभी ये इधर से ऐसे है और ये वॉल पे ऐसे चढ़ रहा है, ऐसे और ऐसे. So this way and this way. So this part is also going to be green. और बाकी का हम लोग ब्लू ही कर देते हैं. अभी मेरे को नहीं समझ रहा क्या करना चाहिए. So I will do it blue because the sky is blue. So I just turn it. सारे कलर्स को भागकर मेरे पास आना होता है. ओए. So I am doing this blue. Let's see how many children make it. अगर मम्मी पापा मना करते हैं Consider this as a drawing and do it. Don't consider this as a viral video and do it, okay? It is also a drawing, isn't it? So we are just doing this. Daba daba ke, ghaseet ghaseet ke blue, because the sky is blue. I'll explain the entire texture now to you. थोड़ी सी फिनिशिंग करेंगे ना जब I'll explain it to you. Oh yeah, can you stand? My colors vanish very fast because I use all my dum on them. So this is the sky behind. Okay. Now, you know, this is a sort of a grass which is leaning on the wall. These are the walls, the pillars. Okay, to do the grass, थोड़ा सा finishing. So what we will do is, नहीं ये वाला green तो इसके ऊपर चल ही नहीं रहा, थोड़ा सा और डार्क ले लेते हैं, देखते हैं चलता है, ये भी नहीं चल रहा. But this is the grass, children. So if you want, you can do bundi 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 with dark green to show that it is a grass. It is a different sort of a glass there. Now, finishing. Let me dust it. These are few windows which are there inside. Now ये windows के अंदर का part है which is dark. So अभी वो ब्राउन के साथ हमको ब्लैक करके, पहले हमने ग्रे के साथ किया था, अभी हमको ब्राउन के साथ करना है. ठीक है बच्चा, अब ये ब्राउन के साथ करेंगे तभी ये खिड़कियाँ उठ के आएंगी. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ डिज़ाइनर ग्रिल and this is the glass behind. Now since it's a glass and there is andhera inside the house, but we cannot show it complete andhera, so we are just using a black to show a little bit of darkness inside, and we are going to smudge it off nicely to show this way. तो बोलना मत हमने ब्लैक क्यों, ब्राउन क्यों किया. ब्राउन तो करना है ना, बिकॉज हमको पूरी जगह अंधेरा नहीं दिखाना. हमको किधर अंधेरा दिखाना है, किधर अंधेरा नहीं दिखाना है. फर्स्ट आई थॉट व्हेन आई एम डूइंग दिस वीडियो आई कीप माई माउथ शट एंड लेट द म्यूजिक प्ले फ्रॉम बिहाइंड, बट दिल है कि मानता नहीं, मेरे मुंह से निकलता जाता है निकलता जाता है निकलता जाता है निकलता जाता है, वो चुप भी नहीं होता मेरा दिल. सो आई कैनॉट डू एनी ड्राइंग विदाउट टॉकिंग. Otherwise I'll have to keep it completely on mute, which is not possible for me. Of course I can, it's possible for me. Yes, it is definitely possible for me. The only thing is that then I will have to keep my video mute. अभी ये ग्रे जो है ना, ये ग्रे को हमको वापस से एक बार दबा के करना for the finishing parts. Okay, my gray is into shatters. So done. Now we'll use our pencil to do the makeups, and we have the song of course playing from behind. I put a good thumbnail, जैसे उसका thumbnail होता है ना यशराज का, वैसा ही thumbnail मैं डालूंगी, and then you all can make it. And yes, if I have my scraper somewhere nearby, I can do it. If I don't have it, I will not be able to do it. मिल जा स्क्रेपर, मिल जा, मिल गया. अरे वाह, आजकल तो सब चीज़ तनु आंटी के हिसाब से चल रही है. So the कंगी वाला part, because her t-shirt is a little checkeries, so let's make it like that. It's checks on her t-shirts. It will hardly be seen, but still, since there are, you should do it. Correct? I'll show you the Nazdik way of doing the checks. Oh, my black colors come here, never mind. I can do orange on it, and I can do the polishing part again so that it does not look bad. You can do this border for her t-shirt. It's a caricature, children. When you make, there are so many big cartoonists who make caricatures of Modi. They make caricatures of so many big personalities. So this is also an art. Here we have made a caricature of Rakhi Sawant, correct? So see this. Can you see the checks? Yes, you can see the checks. I think so. I'm a little less visible on the screen, but then I don't know what to do. I was not very good visibly. So we have made the caricature, and let's sing the song once again.
प्लीज आप सारे टेप रिवाइंड करो और चेक करो क्या ये मांडू थी